All right, gang. So right now, I'm trying to get that lock ring up out of there. You see that yellow ring? That's what we trying to get. So I got me some ring on pliers, snap ring tool. That's what I'm trying to do. And remove it to planetary. He is a tricky one. I don't know if it have any holes on it or not. What do you say? Things to go up in there. Y'all see I got it, gang. Y'all see it. And like I said, they didn't have any holes in there so I could grab onto it. So I really just had to catch the end of it. So next I'm gonna pull this here planetary up out of there. Y'all see the planetary. See the washers. We're gonna leave him just like that. See what else we can get out of there. Okay. I guess that's supposed to look like that. It kind of looks like it's cracked. But I'm gonna look at some other people's videos and see. Y'all see this here bushing. We're gonna leave him on there. You see that? All right, next I got my sunshell. Sunshell gotta come on up out of there. See, we got another bushing. Plastic ring, leave him on there. Again, I think that's another lock ring we need to get up out of there. I did remove that gear right there that came out of, that connects to the sunshell. So next, you see that spring right there and that clip? You see that's the case silencer. So I gotta remove that clip and then tap it forward. And we should be able to pull that shaft and stuff out. Let me find a screwdriver to do that. Now, I should be able to take a piece of wood and tap that back of that shaft and then pull it back out. Let's try that. Let's try that and see how it works. All right, y'all see that? You see that case silencer? See the case silencer? See the cam up out of there. So next, You see, I should be able to put this output shaft out. With an output shaft, we'll set him to the side. We'll set our case silencer to the side in our box. I should be able to grab all those goodies out of there. See that? Go ahead on and grab the rest of these goodies here. See that washer? Now we getting down to the nitty gritty. All right, gang, so now I'm trying to grab that loaded spring casing out of there and remove these pistons. It's gonna take some air to remove once I remove it, that spring cage. You see I fabricated me a tool to compress it. I just got a bolt run it through, tighten down with a piece of plate. Now, there is a spring up in there, a ring that we gotta remove. And that's right here. That's right here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I don't even know if this tool wide enough. But let me try to get that out of there and I'll cut y'all back on. See them two edges right there? That's what we gotta remove right there. And compress them again. All right, gang, so I'm gonna remove these clutches and gonna stack them the same way that we pulling them out. They all ring down. We can pull our clutches out of there. Let's see. See there? Now we also got a snap ring to take this here cage out of there. But of course, that's gonna have to be pressed down as well. So check these out. Got a little meat on them. I think these are the better ones right here with the holes in it. The steels with the holes in them. So we're gonna go ahead and put them down like we took them out right here. I need that snap ring to remove. Need that snap ring to remove, that compress tool to remove this here and pull that spring up out of there. got going on here. Y'all see all these clutches. Look at the slack. Look at the slack up in there. That's way too much slack. So you know them clutches burnt up. You know them clutches burnt. So I'm gonna remove this here snap ring. That washer that fell off of there. Snap ring. And your old clutch. Look at these. Oh yeah, they barely got anything on there. Pretty much gone. Look at this one here. All brittle. So I'm glad I'm going through it and just trying to do it the right way, baby. Y'all see it. Alright, we'll set him down just like we took him off. I believe it's like 5 of these here. I got one more that fell. You'll make sure you keep these. You just set them right in the middle of these clutches. Alright. Y'all see we got that snap ring out. Lay him to the side. And what we got here? Set them down the same way they come out. Just hit gear. Face down. They say this here only supposed to turn one way, which it is doing. Set him down. Now, you see we got more clutches. More clutches, man. Right here. More clutches. Y'all see that? More of them. Y'all see what's going on.
Yeah. Money on my mind.